Hey there everyone! Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to get rid of those pesky ads on your iOS device using AdGuard DNS. AdGuard DNS is a free and easy-to-use service that blocks ads and trackers on your device, giving you a seamless browsing experience. But before we get started, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Step 1. Download AdGuard DNS profile. The first step is to download the AdGuard DNS profile on your iOS device. It's super easy, just follow these simple steps. Open Safari on your iOS device. Go to the AdGuard DNS website. Scroll down to method number 2, configure AdGuard DNS manually and tap on it. Choose the DNS server you want to use. We recommend using the default server as it blocks ads and trackers. Tap on Download Configuration Profile and follow the instructions to install the profile. Step 2. Install AdGuard DNS profile. Once you have downloaded the AdGuard DNS profile, you need to install it on your iOS device. Here's how you can do it. Go to Settings on your iOS device. Tap on Profile Downloaded and select the AdGuard DNS profile you downloaded in Step 1. Tap on Install and enter your passcode if prompted. Tap on Install again to confirm the installation. Tap on Done to exit the installation process. Step 3. Verify AdGuard DNS is working. To verify that AdGuard DNS is working on your iOS device, you can visit a website that has ads. If AdGuard DNS is working, you should not see any ads on the website. That's it. You have successfully blocked ads on your iOS device using AdGuard DNS. Now you can enjoy a seamless browsing experience without any interruptions. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Happy browsing!